8.5.5 Plastids. Plastids are found in all plant cells and euglenoids. These are easily observed under microscope as they are large. They bear some specific pigment, thus imparting specific colors on plant. Based on the type of pigment, plastids can be classified into chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast. The chloroplast contains chlorophyll and carotenoid pigments which are responsible for trapping light energy essential for photosynthesis. In the chromoplast, fat soluble carotenoids pigments like carotenoids, xanthophylls, and other are present. The gives part of plant yellow, orange, red color. The leucoplast is colorless plasters of varied shape and size that stored in nutrition. Amyloplast store carbohydrates, starch, example potato. Usually plast stores oils and fats, whereas the aleuroplast stores protein. Majorly, all of the chloroplasts are green plant are found in mesophyll cells of the leaves. These are lens-shaped, oval, spherical, discoid, and even ribbon-like organelles have variable length 5 to 10 micrometer and width 2 to 4 micrometer. The number varies from 1 per cell of the Chlamydomonas, a green algae, to 20 to 40 per cell in the mesophyll. Like mitochondria, chloroplasts are also double membrane bound. Of the inner chloroplast membrane is relatively less permeable. The space limited by the inner membrane of chloroplast is called the stroma. A number of organized flattened membrane sacs called the thylakoids are present in stroma. Thylakoids are arranged in stacks like piles of coins called grana or integrated thylakoids. In addition, there are flat membrane tubules called stroma lamellae connecting the thylakoids of different grana. The membrane of thylakoids enclosed space are called lumen. The stroma of the chloroplast contain enzymes required for the synthesis of carbohydrates and protein. It also contains small double stranded circular DNA and ribosomes. Chloroplast pigments are present in thylakoid. Ribosomes of chloroplast are smaller, 70s, than cytoplasm ribosome. Cytoplasmic ribosome is 80s. Ribosomes. 8.5.6 Ribosomes are granular structures first observed under electron microscope as dense particles by George Palade. They are in 1953. They are composed of ribonucleic acid, RNA, and proteins and are surrounded by any membrane. The eukaryotic ribosomes are 80s while the prokaryotic ribosome are 70s. Each ribosome has two subunits, larger and smaller subunits. The two subunits of 80s ribosome are 60s and 40s, and 70s are 80s and 30s. The S is Swedberg's unit, stands for sedimentation coefficient. It is indirectly measured of density of or and size. Both 70s and 80s are composed of two subunits. 8.5.7 Cytoskeletal. An elaborate structure of filament proteinaceous structures consisting of microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments present in the cytoplasm is collectively referred to as cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton in a cell are involved in many functions such as mechanical support, motility, maintenance of the shape of cell. Figure 8.10 says section of cilia flagella showing parts, electron micrograph, diagrammatic representation of integral structures. 8.5.8 Cilia and flagellae. Cilia and flagellae are hair-like outgrowths of the cell membrane. Cilia are small structures which work like oars, causing the movement of either of the cell surrounding fluid. Flagellae are comparatively longer and are responsible for cell movement. The prokaryotic bacteria also possess flagella, but these are structurally different from that eukaryotic flagella. The electron microscope study of cilium or the flagellum show that they are covered with plasma membrane. Their core, called axoneme, possess a number of microtubules running in parallel long axis. The axonema usually has 9 doublets radially arranged peripherally microtubules and a pair of